Hello guys, in this opportunity I'm going to explain to you the topic for this week 16. Dealing with aggressive customers is the topic for this week. What would I do if a customer insults, screams, or is upset? This is important, and you as call center agent or as a future call center agent, you need to deal with this. You need to deal with the aggressive behavior of some customers. They sometimes can insult you, can scream, or even can treat you, and that's really bad, and you need to learn how to deal with these problems. But first, let's define what is aggressive behavior. And it could be when you can use your physical or emotional harm to others. It means that it is not only that someone can hit you with his or her hand, but also when the person is insulting you. That means an emotional things. And aggressive behavior is when the person is irritable, when the person is upset for A, B, C, or D motivation we don't know. But you as call center agents, sometimes you can face these problems. But what are the causes of this aggressive behavior? There are many causes. It could be physical health. Maybe the person is sick, the person have a headache or stomach ache, so that's why he or she is it's irritable, it's upset. Mental health, maybe the person is suffering a mental type of illness. Family structure, I don't know, problems in their homes, maybe problems in the job, relationship with others. There are some people that are like that, people that get angry really fast. So you need to deal with this. And there are many other problems like economical factors, social factors that maybe are affecting the person that is calling to you. But let's define also what is an aggressive customer, right? It's a customer who is frustrated at a determined situation. You are a call center agent, you are receiving calls all the time, all day. But sometimes there are some callers, some clients that are going to call you and they are angry. They want to insult you, even though you don't have the fault for the problem that they are facing. And each call center have their own protocol when dealing with aggressive customers, and you need to use a specific phrases, a specific way of tone of voice, a specific way to guide this problem in order to find a solution. So each one of the customers is different, so it means that you need to apply certain steps, certain protocol, or some guidance in order to solve their problems. We are going to teach to you some specific tips that you need to follow. First thing, it's stay calm. Okay, first thing, I know that you don't have the fault for the problem that the person is facing, but you need to stay calm. It's your job, okay? Don't lose your brain. Don't get crazy. Don't start fighting with the person that is calling, okay? Because in that way you are going to increase the level of the problem. So stay calm is the most important thing. Don't increase your voice, okay? Try to use the normal way of speaking. Try to use a calm voice, a calm tone of voice. The other says, be kind and don't argue. Okay, the important thing, be kind. You need to be polite. Be kind. You don't want that the client starts arguing with you, or that the person starts insulting you. So that's why you don't need to argue with the client. Don't try to say, no, you are wrong, no, you are not correct, and I am the one that has the correct thing. No, don't try to use that. Agents are encouraged to show empathy with the customers, okay? So in that way you can show that you want to help the person. Trying to be kind and don't argue. Listen and try to understand. important thing. When a person is angry, you need to listen first, and then you try to solve the person problem. That's the first thing. When the person is start calling to you and that person is start yelling or screaming, okay, listen to the person, and that's the basic. Okay, listen and then try to understand why the person is angry. Then find a solution. Important thing. What is your job? Try to find solution for the customers or the client's problem. So when you are staying calm, when you are polite with the client, then you listen to the person's problem, then you find a solution. Okay, every single thing in the world has a solution, so that's why you are a call center agent, because you need to find that specific solution. Offer a supervisor. Okay, it's another way to conduct the problem. One of the important things of the protocol is that if the call center agent doesn't have a solution, then you can transmit that problem to a supervisor. In most scenarios, agents are not able to offer solutions, so maybe a supervisor can offer a solution. So you can say to the person, okay, I'm not prepared for giving you a solution right now, but maybe I can transmit this problem to my supervisor. So the person would understand that situation, and maybe he or she wants to talk with a supervisor in order to provide the specific solution. Then finish the call. Is the last option, okay? It's your last option. It's not the first thing. When you are answering the phone call and you are listening to the person and the person is screaming, is yelling, is insulting, don't finish the call. No, try to listen and then try to give a solution. But if there is not a solution and the person starts screaming and screaming, so you need to finish the call. But it's the last option, okay? It's your last option. Your job is to try to stay calm and offer a solution, but if the person does not collaborate with you, so stop the call, finish the call. Then guys, another important thing to talk about are the phrases that you can use. As I was saying, you have a guide, you have a protocol to follow, and there are some phrases that you can use. First phrase is, you are right. Remember, always the client has the right thing. You are right is a phrase that you can use in order to stop or decrease the level of the call. Then another phrase is, I'm sorry, even though you don't have the fault for the person's problem. But you always have to say this: I'm sorry for your problem, madam. I'm sorry for your problem, mister, but I'm here to help you. Another phrase that we can use is, thank you. Remember, you always have to say thank you. Thank you for calling to our company. I'm here for providing you a solution. Thank you for calling. Thank you for giving me a chance, for helping you. Important thing, always offer thanks. Then I will feel frustrated by that too. So you need to show empathy. Remember, we talked about this. Showing empathy helps the customer to decrease the level of angriness that the person might have. So you can always say this, I will feel frustrated for this too. So showing empathy is a good way. And those are basically the phrases, the protocol that you need to follow when you are dealing with aggressive customers, guys. So remember, show empathy, listen, stay calm, don't start arguing or insulting the person. Your job is to provide solutions. Your job is to listen and try to figure it out what to do or how to help your clients. So applying all those techniques, all those phrases will help you a lot in order to be an efficient call center agent.